Idaho, it is known as the potato state. I have to admit, they have really good potatoes here. But in honor of Idaho, I figured we would make a really fun potato recipe, which is called smashed potatoes. They are crispy and creamy and delicious and easy to make for any dinner, for any party. They're perfect. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so I'm just gonna get my potatoes, and these are just cute little tiny potatoes, so any small potatoes. And I'm going to use my Instant Pot, but if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can boil these potatoes for about 8 minutes. But I just want to be able to just walk away and not have to worry about it, so I'm just gonna put them in the Instant Pot. And then I'm going to take about a cup of water and pour it in. You'll want about a cup to a cup and a half. Since I don't have that many potatoes, I'm only going to put a cup. And just in case you don't know, the trivet is down here, if you're wondering. And then I'm just going to put the lid on this, turn it, make sure it is on the seal button, not the venting. Okay, so if you are trying to cook potatoes in the Instant Pot and you have bigger potatoes, it takes about 15 minutes for them to cook in the Instant Pot. But since these are really small potatoes, I'm just going to cook them for 8 minutes. So you want to press manual and bring it down to 8 minutes. And then once it gets hot, it builds up pressure, then it's going to turn on. There we go, on. And it's going to count down from 8. Okay, so only 1 minute left. And then we can release the pressure. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to use the back of the spoon to open the vent. And now we just have to wait till all the pressure is out of the Instant Pot so we can open it. Look what my mom got me for Christmas. Really good pans, and look, it's like a rose gold. But anyways, so you want to take a baking sheet. And these are supposed to be really good baking sheets where nothing sticks, but I'm just going to take some cooking spray and just spray it, just so nothing sticks, just for sure. Okay, here's a moment of truth. Let's open it. The pressure has been released. And there it's singing to me. Ooh, look how pretty those look. And just to show you, they are soft and they are ready to smash. See? I'm just gonna take the potatoes out and put them right on the pan. So you can take whatever to smash it down. I'm just gonna take an Old Welch's jam jar. You can take a fork, you can take a spatula, but I'm just gonna smash them down just with this jar. And just do it till it's all done. And this is what they look like when they are all smashed. Next, you will want some kind of butter or oil. I am going to use my misto, and this has olive oil in it. So what you do is you just pump it. And if you're ever wondering where to find any of my products I use in the kitchen, you can find them in the description box. There's a link to all the products that I use in my kitchen. Anyways, and then you'll just want to take this and just spray it. Now some people drizzle their olive oil, but I just love this misto. So it's just kind of like misty. Misto. Sorry, plan words. Next, you want some seasonings, and you can do whatever you want. Some people just use some coarse salt and pepper. I like herbs, so I use Miss Dash. Miss Dash is pretty healthy. It doesn't have any salt in it. It just has herbs. And there's different kinds. This is just the original blend. And you'll just want to sprinkle it all over. And for the last ingredient, just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And this is the healthier cheese too, so this is actually pretty healthy. And just sprinkle it on there as well. And this is what they look like with the herbs and the Parmesan. And you want to broil your smashed potatoes for about 10 minutes. Once they are golden brown and crispy, they are done. Okay, it has been 10 minutes and we are done. Do you guys love potatoes almost as much as me? If you do, comment your favorite potato recipe and let's give this a try. A little hot. Very good. And sometimes I like to add a little bit of sour cream and cheese and bacon bits if I want it to be a little less healthy, and that is delicious too, which is called a loaded smashed potato. And if you like this video and you want to see more, remember to subscribe to this channel, and please give this a big like. Smash that like button. Thanks guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.